We have main two types of immunity, innate and adaptive. Innate immune response is the body's first line of defense against pathogens. It is non-specific, meaning it does not target specific pathogens, but rather responds to a wide range of invaders in a genetic way. Here are the key features of the innate immune response. The innate immune response is activated immediately or within an hour of a pathogen appearance in the body. We have also the physical and chemical barriers like skin, mucous membranes, and secretions, for example, saliva, tears, and stomach acid, act as a physical barriers to prevent pathogen entry. Cellular components, phagocytes. Cells such as neutrophils and macrophages then engulf and digest pathogens. Natural killer cells destroy virus-infected cells and tumor cells. Dendritic cells capture antigens and present them to T cells, bridging innate and adaptive immunity. Inflammatory response. Inflammation is a hallmark of the innate response characterized by redness, heat, swelling, and pain. It helps isolate the infected area and recruit immune cells to the site. Complement system, a group of proteins that enhance the ability of antibodies and phagocytic cells to clear pathogens, promote inflammation, and attack pathogen membranes. Adaptive immune response, also known as the acquired immune response, is more specific and involves a delayed response. It targets specific antigen or pathogens and retains a memory of past infection, providing long-lasting immunity. The adaptive immune system recognizes and targets specific antigen. It retains memory of these antigens, allowing for a faster and stronger response upon subsequent exposures. Major components of this adaptive immunity are B lymphocytes or B cells, produce antibodies that neutralize pathogens and mark them for destruction. T lymphocytes or T cells, helper T cells or CD4, produce cytokines to activate other immune cells. Cytotoxic T cells or CD8 kill infected cells directly. Upon recognizing an antigen, B and T cells proliferate and differentiate into L effector and memory cells, amplifying the immune response. What is the immunological memory? Memory B and T cells remain in the body after an infection has cleared, providing quick and potent response to future infections by the same pathogen. How do innate and adaptive immunity interact? The innate response alerts the adaptive system to the presence of pathogen through antigen presentation and cytokine signaling. Dendritic cells, for instance, play a key role in presenting antigens to T cells, linking the two arms of the immune system. In summary, the innate immune response provides immediate, non-specific defense mechanism, while the adaptive immune response offers a specialized, long-lasting defense with a memory crucial for effective immunity against specific pathogen. Thus, the immune system is a system of protection of cells and the whole body. When can the immune system act as a damaging way? One of the most important parts of the innate immune response is inflammasome formation. Activation of inflammasomes lead to the synthesis of caspase-1 proteins, which increase the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines interleukin-1 beta and interleukin-18, as well as the activation of the dead protein gastromin.